Today, I'm going to show you a stand for your tablet. What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. Hey, I've got this Amazon Fire tablet. I love this tablet because it's not expensive. You can watch movies, whatever you want to do on it. But one of the things that I've always wanted to do is be able to have it up at eye level in a position where it's going to be kind of out of the way, but yet really still usable. Obviously, you will hold some of these, but if you wanted to work out or video conference or something like that, you certainly don't want to sit there like this all the time. So I picked this up. It is a tablet or cell phone stand, apparently. Now, I thought this would be nice to be able to put on my desk on a table, and again, like I said, Zoom call, Skype, whatever you want with the tablet in a position that's going to be kind of more natural. So let's just go ahead and unbox this. First of all, ooh, it's kind of nice looking inside here. So we have, I think, probably an extra screw, a couple of Allen keys here. Tighten it down. Looks like the portion that's going to hold it in place. It's spring-loaded on both sides, which is nice. This is just hard plastic, this gray piece here, but the gray right here is rubberized, or it's a silicone. You can see it has a little lip, so it should hold it in without falling down. I also want to show you, you also have these little tabs right here, so it should be nice and easy to get a good handle on this so that you can spread it out if you need to. There's also little textured ribs right here, so if you're grabbing it like this, you can get a nice purchase on it as well. And then you can see there's a screw hole in the back to attach it to the tablet stand, which is right here. Now, I will tell you what, this thing is actually really heavy. I'm actually impressed by this because this is a serious piece of kit. I will say this is some sort of like cast metal, and it's got some weight. So regardless of what kind of tablet you are using, I don't think this is gonna fall over. I mean, this is serious. It does have like a foam base right here, so you don't have to worry about any marring or scratching. Should give it a little bit of friction so you won't slide around. Not as much as a rubber or silicone or anything like that. But you can see this rod right here, up to here, all the hinges here are really nice, and everything is metal construction. You can see we have the little hex holes right there, so I think if you wanted to tighten these hinges down, but I will tell you right now they have pretty good resistance. And then what you can see is we have the little hole where this sucker will attach in, and then we'll use that little screw that comes in the bag right here to put this together. So I will do that right now. Alright, so I got this thing put together. I will tell you, I think it comes in two different colors, black or white. I just wanted to get it in white like this. There's also a song by Michael Jackson called Black or White. So what you can see here is it's really nice. I love the construction because it's minimalist and yet very robust. Now I have attached the holder here vertically, and when I've tightened it down, it still gives you a little bit of ability to turn it, to orient it a different way, but I really wanted it vertical so that I can mount the tablet horizontally like this. Now I want to show you that right now it's probably sitting about, 10 inches off of the table here, and it's kind of perfect because I can angle this up and have it right in front of my eyes, kind of like a computer screen. But if you wanted to go as tall as humanly possible, I would call this about 18 inches tall. So you could absolutely have this pretty high as well. And again, because of the way this articulates, you could also go very low. Very low. But I want to show you here. I want to set this up just like this, and we will open this up here and put the tablet right there. It's got some weight on it, and I want to show you that it's drooping a little bit right here. And so what I can do here is just take my Allen key and just tighten that down. Oh, it's actually pretty loose right there. So tighten that down, and now that sucker is not moving. And now I can watch a movie, video conference, run your workout apps, monitor email, stream old episodes of Frasier, whatever you want to do. It's pretty cool. I think these tablet stands are really, really useful, and they kind of take your tablets to another level. If you want to pick up this bad boy from Viozon, I'll put a link to it in the description below. Peter Von Panda, out.